Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and wallet transfers. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer BNB from XMO to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, this process has gotten even smoother, but we'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you do it safely and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both XMO and Coinbase. If you don't, head over to their websites or apps and create one. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, open your Coinbase wallet app or website. This is where your BNB will end up, so let's get that address ready. In Coinbase, navigate to your wallet dashboard, select BNB from your asset list, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip: double-check this address because in crypto, one wrong character can send your funds into the void. Now, switch over to XMO. Log into your account and head to the Withdraw or Transfer section. Select BNB as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You'll be prompted to enter the destination address. That's the one you just copied from Coinbase. Paste it carefully, then enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer. Remember, always leave a little extra for network fees, which might vary in 2025 due to updated blockchain tech. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and any transaction fees displayed. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the withdrawal. XMO will process it, and depending on network congestion, it could take a few minutes to an hour. Keep an eye on your Coinbase wallet for incoming funds. Once it shows up, you're all set. In 2025, with enhanced security features like multi-factor authentication and AI-driven fraud detection, transfers are safer than ever, but never share your private keys or seeds. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.